Unpack the device, the tray, the refill bag, the lid and the tub. To reassemble the device, put the tray onto the tub. Add the blue stopper to the tray. Open the plastic bag containing the refill bag and put the refill bag onto the tray. Attach the lid to the bottom tub and close it with the side clips. Make sure the refill bag is tucked into the lid and not hanging out. The device will start collecting moisture. The refill will last from 1 to 3 months depending on temperature and moisture level. When the granules are gone and there is water in the tub, open the lid, remove the empty refill bag and throw it in the garbage. Empty the water from the tub into the toilet or drain. Replace a new refill bag onto the tray.